To fix brightness issues on an iPhone running iOS 18. Start by updating your iPhone's software to the latest version, as this may resolve the problem. If you're already running the latest update, try restarting your device by turning it off and then back on to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, there are several additional steps you can take. First, disable auto brightness by going to Settings, then Accessibility, and selecting Display and Text Size, where you can toggle off auto brightness. Next, adjust your zoom settings by navigating to Settings, Accessibility, and Zoom, and toggle off the zoom option. Additionally, disable low power mode by going to Settings, Battery, and toggling off the low power mode option. Finally, disable night shift mode by going to Settings, Display and Brightness, and toggling off night shift. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any brightness issues on your iPhone.